As early as 8 a.m., officials of the Imo State Independent Electoral Commission begin to depart their office in Owerri for all the polling booths spread across the 27 local government areas of the state. They arrive at the polling units where eligible voters had already been waiting. Some of them could not hold back their anger.
The situation, we are still waiting for the INEC and the ICP, but we are still waiting for the electoral materials to come for the accreditation and then the main voting. But, when are you waiting? For the past 2 hours now. We've been here, we've been waiting.
But the electoral officials attribute the late arrival of materials to logistics problems.
I think they had the logistic problems, but I think everything is moving very smoothly. We have commenced. It will end by 4 p.m.
And then the voting proper begins. Imo State Governor Rochas Okorocha commends the State Electoral Commission for a job well done, describing the turnout of voters as encouraging.
This is the first time we're having this number of councillors coming up under the local government election. From what I've heard, many parties are participating, and today you can see there's restricted movement, and everybody's at their various booths performing their civic responsibility to choose the candidate of their choice. But so far so good, and I'm impressed with the turnout.
But major opposition parties in the state, like the People's Democratic Party, the PDP, and the All Progressives Grand Alliance, APGA, did not participate in the election over allegations that the Imo State Independent Electoral Commission had been compromised. The commission has, however, assured that results from the election will be out in the early hours of Sunday after complete collation and counting.